Guys, lead generation tutorial for beginners. Let's go. Guys, to get some leads, if you want to get leads and you want to get emails, the best way to do it right now, today, is through socials, through social media, whether it be Instagram, TikTok, through YouTube. It's fantastic as well. And I'm going to touch on a few of these ways. So me and a couple of friends have a podcast. We're called Teachers from the Hood. And so what we do is we have a podcast where we discuss various things. And then we have a link to our landing pages where we capture emails through something called Linktree. Now, our backend is something called Kajabi, and Kajabi is a software which actually captures all the emails and then allows us to email everybody and talk about any courses that we got going on that people can subscribe to and watch and look at, or any other content or material that we've got. And we do this through TikTok because we upload our podcasts. We do a link through Instagram, and we also have our YouTube videos. So guys, check this out, right? This is how it works. So Kajabi is where we create our website, our landing pages, and our capturing our emails, right? Kajabi looks like that. Click the link in my description if you want a free trial just to see how it works. It's fantastic. It's amazing, guys. Really works well for us. And what we do is we'll use something like, say, TikTok, and we'll upload our videos, and then we'll have something called Linktree. And through Linktree, when I click on it, you'll see that this is amazing because it links everything together. Links our Spotify podcasts. Let me open that anyway. Links our YouTube. It's amazing. So look, here you go. This is something called Linktree. We've got our YouTube episodes there. We've got our kind of coaching. We've got our download. So say, for example, this free download, 5 secrets to reduce teacher stress. So when I click on this one, because we give away free content, to help teachers, so they will click on that. And what this does, it opens up something called the landing page for those of you that don't know. And this landing page will capture the email. So what this does is, once they submit, where it says submit here, their email will automatically give them the free PDF, which is about what it says, which is 5 simple steps to reduce teaching stress. And they'll get that they'll get that sent to them directly. By the same time, we'll be able to capture the email that they've sent with their permission. And by signing up, as it says, we'll take up the email list. And then we'll have a bank of email lists from people. And then what we'll do is from time to time, we'll send out emails to say that, look, here's some really good content. Here's some really good stuff for you guys to check out. And if they want to buy it or they want to see it, or it might be a free thing that we're giving away, then that's how we do it. But we use, like I said, we use something called Kajabi, and we create our website, which we've got here. We'll have our blog, and then we'll literally create loads of things to kind of give away maybe, and other things that we can sell, courses and so on. Create a membership also that we can do through it. It's just amazing, right? It's fabulous. So TikTok is something that we use. I've got my own personal Instagram, which I also use. You can see that one. I've also got Teachers from the Hood. I put up a lot of my stuff on my own personal Instagram account, and and the Linktree is there again. See, the Linktree connects to everything. So we also have our Spotify videos, and even on our Spotify our Spotify audios, should I say, we got our Linktree here, which is amazing. Now, I also want to touch on our YouTube channel, right? This is a YouTube channel which is quite new, and you've got all because our podcasts are video podcasts. You can see it just there, that first one, teacher shortage crisis, And if I click on this, I'm not going to show you the video, so don't worry. It's too long anyway. But I'll pause it. So what it is at the bottom of this, in our description, we've also got links there. So for example, you'll see we've got a free download for 5 secrets to reduce teacher stress, free download, 3 simple steps for a fantastic classroom management, lesson plan. And all of these will give away some really good free content, but at the same time, it will capture email. It's amazing for lead generation and for capturing emails, guys. It's just the best. See, I'll click on this one, there's another one, and it brings up the landing page. We created this landing page through Kajabi, guys. Like I said, check it out in the link in the description, and you can create it really easily. I've also got other videos on my playlist. I'm probably going to show you how to do it as well at some point, exactly how to create the landing page. So check it out at some point. But yeah, so we do a giveaway, and then we capture the email through the landing page, and that connects directly, guys, to the Kajabi that you can get. Like I said, you get a free 30-day trial just to check it out, see what it's like, guys, because it's usually like 14 days. But yeah, I mean, YouTube is an amazing way of doing it, and guys, like it really is. If you're doing like we got a video podcast, so it fits perfectly. But even for businesses, like creating videos for your business or whatever it is that you're doing, it's the best thing to use, because it's free, right? These are free ways of generating leads. You're not paying for it. I mean, look, there are ways of generating leads through advertising, and you could do that through Facebook, through TikTok advertising, through Instagram advertising. You know, these are ways, but you're not guaranteed with the results. I mean, you may get leads, but it can be very expensive, very costly. With this method, through uploading videos, which I do on a regular basis, and I get seen, I always get clicked on the link tree. And, again, you can go to the link tree stats, which I go to, and I look at it every week, and it really is amazing to see how much people actually click on the link tree. And then they actually click on, then after that, they go and click on, any of these tabs there. So we get a lot of YouTube episodes being seen through here. We get a lot of our other stuff like Spotify, podcast, TikTok seen. And also we get a lot of leads, a lot of lead generation through this. So guys, if you found value, like I said, check out the links in my description. And also the other thing is, if you are interested in doing YouTube videos, I think what we do is we use two fantastic softwares to optimize the videos. Because look, you could put your video on YouTube, but you may never be seen. And the way to be seen is to use something like vidIQ or TubeBuddy, which are the two best softwares for SEO. And then you can actually see what kind of things, what videos to make, and then make sure that you got low competition, because if you got low competition, you're able to rank quite well. And that means you'll be seen. So for example, you'll have a good search volume, and then you'll be seen quite well. So check out the links to the two softwares that I've got also, TubeBuddy and vidIQ, if you're interested in creating YouTube videos for good lead generation, guys. Hope you found value in this, guys. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.